We're live here in Las Vegas at Caesars Palace Hotel and Casino. And I have a special guest for today, my amazing business partner, Miss Virginia Winter. She is in town visiting, enjoying her life, relaxing, just soaking all her blessing from our online business. So I'm here to just give you an inside look on what it's like to be on our online business that is truly changing lives, including hers, of course, and mine. So, let's dive right in. Tatanungin ko lang siya ng mga question para makashare ang kanyang journey. So, let's start with one question, which is, paano mo nakita ang business na to para magkaroon ka ng extra income?
Well, nakita ko yung online business na ito sa social media, isang video, isang Pilipina, at kagaya ko, isang server din siya, at na-curious ako sa nangyari sa buhay niya. So, nag-reach out ako sa kanya, nag-message ako sa kanya, nag-usap kami, at doon nagsimula na sumali ako sa online business na ito.
And how long have you been in this business and what changed for you?
So, I've been in the business more than 2 years now, at alam niyo ba, 1 year lang naging job quiter ako dahil sa business na ito.
That's wonderful. That's
Yes.
amazing. So if you don't mind sharing to our viewers, what is your biggest one day pay or 1 month pay or the whole year? Can you share that with our viewers?
Well, my first payday here after 2 weeks in the business is 398 something, just one day payday. And then right now, since I reached the 5-figure every month, my biggest 1 month is $8,000.
Wow, that's
Yes.
amazing. Oh my gosh. You're really enjoying your life right now and your time freedom, of course.
Yes, of course. Actually, this is pangarap ko lang ito dati talaga dahil 10 years ako sa restaurant, talagang sobrang pagod talaga at ganun pa rin ang sitwasyon sa buhay. Nangangarap ako na balang araw makapagbakasyon ng ganito since nandito ako sa Vegas for 1 week now, for 6 days now, at hindi ako nag-alala dahil ang business ko ay nagtatrabaho sa akin in the background.
That's amazing. So, if you don't mind sharing, what advice would you give our viewers to someone that is actually feeling stuck, looking for an extra income, or just wanting to retire early or having their future to be better sooner rather than later?
Yes. So ang masasabi ko lang talaga sa ating mga kababayan Pilipino dito sa abroad, lalong-lalo na dito sa US, na kahit sobrang sipag natin sa trabaho, dahil alam natin tayo mga Pilipino ay sobrang sipag, pero sa 10 years kong pamamasukan dito sa restaurant ay talagang ganun pa rin ang buhay. Still the same cycle at talagang sobrang pagod na, kaya naisip ko, Lord, ayaw kong maging ganito na lang ang buhay ko. Kaya talagang nakita ko ang isang oportunidad, kahit takot ako, nag-take rest talaga ako at yun nga, inalam ko ang business na ito at nagustuhan ko hanggang naging job quitter ako sa loob lamang ng 1 taon ko sa negosyong ito.
That is wonderful. Thank you, Miss Virginia Winter, for sharing your journey with us. So, if you guys are curious on earning an extra income or just feeling stuck and tired of living paycheck to paycheck, you already know what you need to do. It all starts with free webinar. And you can go to my website at marisolglenn.com and
Yes, and my website, www.virginiawinter.net.
that's a wrap. Viva Las Vegas!